Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the 20 PCS Car Nano ceramic washing accessories. These accessories are an absolute game-changer when it comes to car cleaning. First of all, let me tell you about the special features of these products. They are soft and smooth, made of high-quality ABS+Nanofibers material which makes them durable and long-lasting. The item dimensions are 1 inch in diameter, with a weight of 50 kilograms and a height of 5 inches. The width is 2.7 inches and the length is 9.7 inches. These accessories are sourced from mainland China and come with a brand name of Aliexpress. But that's not all, these accessories also come with a variety of types for different car models such as Tesla, Audi, BMW, Jeep, Mini Cooper, Toyota, Ford, Peugeot, and more. They are designed for car washing, window cleaning, car phone holder, and car scratch removal. This package contains everything you need for a professional car cleaning experience, from plush, chenille microfiber cloths to a car front windshield defogging brush. The material used is PP, coral velvet, ultrafine fibers, and nano sparkle cloth. With their color-changing film, color options like black, blue, green, and red, you can use these accessories for car washing, dust removal, car polishing, and scratch repair. These car cleaning tools are easy to use, water absorbent, and can also be used for household cleaning. They are washable and reusable, making them an eco-friendly choice for your car care routine. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where can I get these amazing products? Well, lucky for you, we've got a link in the description below for easy shopping. If you're tired of paying for expensive car wash services, these accessories are a must-have for your car care arsenal. So go ahead, click the link and get your 20 PCS Car Nano ceramic washing accessories today. Your car will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting product reviews and car care tips.